Now we are on the terrace of PIS Parbani. I welcome you. Before going to the panels, I would like to show you the greenery around the school. See the greenery. Now this atmosphere is little windy, so maybe the wind disturbance. Now come. Uh, Friends, these are the 62 panels we have on the terrace of PIS Parbani. Now we look closely. These are the aluminium frame. Right? Now these blue and grey colors are the silicons. Silicon is a chemical element. And now this upper side is a tempered glass. Tempered glass is for the protection only. It has no any relation to that physics what is happening below it. Right? Now come. Now we look the below side. Here it is a junk box. What is the work of junk box? Junk box is connecting to each other. Means this out is connected to in of other solar panel. So in that manner, all the solar panels are connected to each other, and this wiring is done through this PVC pipe. Now friends, this PVC pipe should be very strong and durable, because its lifespan of the solar panels is 25 years. You can see the fixing techniques. They have just fixed this on the cement concrete blocks. Now see, maintenance of the solar panel is like every 15 days we have to clean it, we have to wash it, otherwise it will not produce the effective energy. Now I will show you this wiring. You show them the this. You can see all the total panels. One thing I would like to show you, just a minute. If you see the below panels, you can see this total watts. Right? So this is 325 WP. WP means watt peak. Right? Let's come, friends. Now in this PVC pipe, all the connections are coming through this pipe, and now this is connected to inverter. Right? You can see here there are two earthings for solar panels. One is for DC and one is for AC. So two earthings are going up to the ground. Now we'll see inverter. Now this is the inverter where all these connections is connected in these inverters, and what it works, it works of converting the DC into AC. Means solar panels create energy in a DC manner of energy. Now DC energy not useful in our any household or any industry, any purpose. So we have to make it into the AC, alternative current. So this is for that only. So converting the DC to AC. Now this is a MCB panel, and this is the solar meter for local display. Means we can see the daily, monthly, weekly energy that is generated. Means whatever the units we have generated daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis, yearly basis, likewise. Just come close. I will just show you the example. I don't know whether you see it or not. See now. So in E today, so now this is the time of 10:30 and energy we have generated is 2.0 kilowatt, right? This type, this inverter converts the energy and it goes to the solar meter next to the, at ground floor. We'll see that also. And if you see the pricing of this structure, it's around 10 lakh 37,000 we have given to this vendor. So, and 10 lakh 37,000 we got the system of 20.15 kilowatts. So you can calculate now. Now these basic calculations are as we quote by the vendor is 42,000 per kilowatt. So if you are thinking to just install the solar panel for your school or for your home or whatever, so you calculate 42,000 per kilowatt. Now you calculate your requirement and you can just get idea of your solar panel cost. Now we are ground floor of the building. Upside we have shown one meter that is close to solar panels, which display the unit produced on the daily basis. And now that connection is connected to this ground floor solar meter. We show you the unit can be exportable. Means exportable units we can see here in this solar meter. Now I can show you, but now electricity is not there, so the units is not displayed on this board meter. Now next to this meter is connected to the meter of MACB. That also I will show you. Now this is a authorized MACB meter, and it can display you the authorized export unit and import unit. So likewise this system we run here. Hope you understand the whole video here. Thank you.